so much to learn, it will take us many lives. Exactly. Yes, you're right. And even many lives will not be enough. That's why we have, to learn as much as we can in this life in order to earn our place in an eternal good, which is a place where we could learn Torah for eternity. Bezrat Hashem. It never ends. That's also why in the beginning of the day, we say the blessings, morning blessings. Part of the morning blessings is also the blessings of the Torah. But before we go to sleep, there's no blessing on the Torah. There's no blessing on the Torah. You do the Shema Yisrael, you do Birkat HaMapil, but there's no blessing of, finishing studying Torah. Why? Because Torah study never finishes. It never finishes. It's something that we're obligated to do, and Bezrat Hashem will utilize these next few days to study more Torah, to connect to Hashem, and to make sure that we do as much as we can to help those that are less fortunate than us, less fortunate to us in money, less fortunate than us in Torah knowledge, less fortunate than us, and actually help, be a helper, be a giver, be somebody that is a contributor to the community. And Bezrat Hashem, whatever you contribute, you can be sure that you will benefit out of it much more than anybody else will, including the recipient.